What do you get when a 1950s ambulance, a trailer, and a spaceship walk into a bar? That's right, this 1956 Pontiac Chieftain Camper. And yes, it's real. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you about the time I almost bought a 1956 Pontiac Chieftain Camper and accidentally bid against myself because I was too excited. I was sitting in my garage, surrounded by half-empty coffee cups and a weird amount of carburetor parts, when this magnificent aluminum brick popped up on my screen. My neighbor Greg, who still thinks his 2002 PT Cruiser is vintage, looked over my shoulder and said, "Is that a space shuttle or a car?" I said, "Greg, it's both. Respect it." Now let's talk about the beast, the 1956 Pontiac Chieftain Aluminum Camper. Built during the golden age of fins, rock and roll, and cigarette ads that claimed doctors recommended your favorite brand. Under the hood, you'll find a 317 cubic inch, 5.2-liter V8 that originally came in two flavors: 205 horsepower with a 2-barrel carb, or 227 horsepower with a 4-barrel. I think if this engine could talk, it would mumble something about Eisenhower and then cough up a piston. Sadly, this particular Chieftain has been sitting longer than my buddy Dave's Tinder profile. The engine turns, but doesn't run. Yet. If you know your way around a wrench and a carb rebuild kit, you've got potential gold on wheels. What makes this Chieftain a unicorn in a field of boring campers? The all-aluminum camper shell, professionally built, we believe, by Superior Coach. Yes, the same folks who made hearses, ambulances, and stretch limos. So technically, this might be the only RV you can live in and be buried in. Efficient. It's got motorized butterfly doors, louvered windows all around, and the kind of raised roofline that screams, "I was an ambulance in a past life." The interior's a time capsule of wood paneling, storage cubbies, and upholstery that smells like Nixon's first term. I liked the most how the overall structure has held up. No major rust holes, just surface rust on the nose and faded paint like your uncle's tattoos. Inside, she's cluttered but solid. Needs new upholstery, a headliner, and probably a fire extinguisher, because you know you're gonna cook something flammable at some point. The dash and panels look decent. And I believe, with some elbow grease and questionable language, this could become a roadworthy conversation piece. The seller's asking $6,700, about 6,200 euros, and it's located in Eugene, Oregon. Clean title, which is more than I can say for most of my past relationships. If you've got the cash and the courage, this rolling relic could be yours. Thanks for watching, where we say, if you can't camp in it, chrome it.